Positive mental health is a sense of well-being in which each individual can manage his or her abilities, can manage the normal stresses of life and enjoy life, and can also play a part in his or her community. Sometimes when we hear the word mental health, we think of mental problems. We think of clinical disorders or difficulties. But in fact, we see mental health as being quite a positive concept. It's a positive resource that enables us to manage our everyday life. So all of us have mental health needs. We talk about promoting good mental health and the importance of that for good health and well-being for the whole population, but especially for young people. In the framework document, we talk about the different aspects of positive mental health, and we look at the different aspects of well-being that are involved. So we consider emotional well-being, social well-being, physical well-being, spiritual well-being, and we look at the various skills that are involved in enabling that sense of well-being to be developed. So mental health promotion looks at strategies for enabling young people to increase their mental health and in fact the determinants of their mental health. And this means looking at skills that are necessary for life and also creating environments, supportive environments that will enable young people to grow and flourish. We look at a distinction between promotion and prevention. So mental health promotion is about enhancing good mental health, positive mental health, and we look at how we can build strengths and access to resources to enable people to have good mental health. For prevention, we look at how we can prevent problems from arising, how we can prevent mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. So these two areas, while they're related to each other, they actually have slightly different starting points. And therefore, it's really important when we look at our health services and our support services for young people that we have a focus on both promotion and prevention alongside treatment and recovery. So young people have access to treatment services when they need it, but actually we think a couple of steps before that. So we can look at how do we keep people mentally healthy and how we can support them. So that means how can we acquire the skills that are needed for life, to manage life successfully, but also how we can create supportive environments for young people. So it's really important that we do that in the settings in which young people live, because mental health is created where we live our lives, in our homes, in our schools, our communities, our workplaces, and youth settings are a really important setting in that context. So youth workers have a key role to play in terms of supporting young people's mental health and well-being and enabling them to acquire some key life skills that are needed to manage their lives successfully and to be able to enjoy life and survive pain and disappointment. So this is really what, when we look at promoting mental health of young people, we start from that point at looking at how we can enhance strengths and empower young people around their own mental health and well-being.